5 divided by 5/8. Convert whole number to improper fraction. 5/1 divided by 5/8. Copy down the first fraction, 5/1. Division you have to change to the multiplication and find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 8/5. Before you are going to perform multiplication, check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. We have 5 in the numerator of the first fraction and 5 in the denominator of the second fraction. I'm going to reduce first numerator by 5 and the denominator of the second fraction also by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1/1 times 8/1. Okay, now I can perform the multiplication. I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. 8 divided by 1 is equal 8. This is the solution to my problem.